Hi, my name is Susan Lilly. I'm with WVU Extension Service, and today we are going to be making a 5 food group funny face. Now, this is a really fun activity you can do for the kids, or have the kids even do it with you. And it's going to teach them a little bit about the 5 food groups because they can try to identify what food goes with what food group. So the first thing that we're going to need to do is to wash our hands, which I've already washed my hands before we got started. What you're going to need for this is a whole wheat bagel. You will need fat-free cream cheese, and then it's wide open. All types of fruits and vegetables that you think would work on this. What we're going to be using today is I have a little bit of kale, and all of my vegetables, I've already pre-washed all of them. I have some broccoli, I have kale, I have carrots, I have red peppers, I have some celery, I have some black olives, some red cranberries, and some raisins. So whatever fruits or vegetables you have handy around the house, this would make a great snack for anybody during the day or whenever they want it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our bagel, and I'm going to take my fat-free cream cheese and I'm going to spread that out onto my bagel. And this is really going to work as our glue to help hold our face together on there. So I'm using my fat-free cream cheese. I'm spreading it on there. And really, I can't tell any difference in the taste between the regular and the fat-free cream cheese, so I always use the fat-free because I figure I'm getting still that taste when I'm not getting all that extra fat. So I have my bagel here, and I've spread my cream cheese out all over it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my fruits and vegetables to make a funny face. The first vegetable I think I'm going to use is some of my kale because it's kind of got that little curly thing going on. Ooh, I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to make some little sideburns for our little guy. I'm going to do that, and I'm going to add just a little bit more, get that curly going. So I'm making my little sideburns for my dude. It's going to be a dude. It can be a girl. Okay. Oh, this is going to make a good clown. Okay, so the vision kind of comes to you as you go along. You just never know what's going to hit you on what you want to do. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use some carrots, and then I think I'm going to use a couple of my black olives to kind of enhance that going on there. And I cut my vegetables in lots of different ways. I've got carrot sticks, I've got thin little carrot sticks, I've got carrot rounds. I even shaved some of the carrot with a carrot peeler and made it real thin so it kind of curls and wisps a little bit. So I've got my, oh yeah, this is going to be a cute one. So I've got that going on. Now I want a happy, this has ended up, it's not going to be really a dude, it's going to be more of a clown. It just keeps changing. So I've got my little clown face going on. And I'm taking some of my red pepper, and I'm gonna just shape it however I want. I mean, there is no set way to how you have to do this. Let's see. Okay, so let me think, and let me add some cranberries. It'll be cute. And some cranberry teeth. Might be becoming a little bit of an angry clown. Okay, so I think I've got him pretty well shaped up here. I like what I've done with him. Oh, let me add just a little bit of my broccoli. I do like my broccoli. I'm going to add a little bit of broccoli and just kind of finish shaping him out there because I want to add some more green to him. All right. Okay. Oh, I'm very tickled with what I've come up here. So what I have done is I have made a little clown here, and I have used the whole wheat bagel, which is our grains group. I have used the cream cheese, the fat-free cream cheese, which was our dairy group. I have kale and broccoli and celery and carrots and red pepper, which would be in our veggie group. And our cranberries that I used freeze teeth can go in the fruit group. Now, what food group have I not said? The protein group. The protein can also be counted as the cream cheese because it has protein in it also, but normally we count it in our dairy group. So there is my little 5 food group happy face, and I hope you guys have fun making your faces too. I'd already made some faces. Let me show you my pre-made little faces I have here. I have me another little dude. She could be a girl. I got my kitty cat, and I have my little clown face. So I hope you guys enjoy this snack because I am truly going to enjoy it here in just a little bit. Have a good day.